Good morning. So we are in day 5 of our tour and day 3 of the tour operators. So we are leading from our Nubra base to Pangong. Hopefully bike is ready. Let's hope that we are able to ride it properly and no problems occur today. Tada! See you on the bike. So yeah, we are all ready to get to Pangong. Let's start our bikes, put on our gloves. That's Malcolm and that's Bijoy. I think Vilas event now. Let's go. Chal Nitin. Let's sign ourselves. I always like to sign myself when I'm heading out of my house, and also a sign of the cross on my bike to be safe. So both the rider and the vehicle is safe. So that day I was saying that there were sand dunes over here in Nubra Valley, and I didn't know about it. Like no any other YouTuber or anyone else had shown this. I don't know if they visited or not, but there are sand dunes over here. So people who want to visit sand dunes, lake can be one of the places where you can. And also there is in the evening or somewhere around post lunch, they start with the camel ride and ATV rides. So I'm not sure about the rates for camel, but ATV is around 500 for 4 rounds, which what they said. So there's a Innova. That's a formation of all the Royal Enfields and the Himalayan along with the KTV Adventure. The other 2 vehicles are not ours. They are just trying to overtake us in the between. So it will take time for them to go ahead of our Innova, since we are around 26 bikes. Yes, and I think I'm the 25th because Nitin is on one of the bikes behind. My lucky number, 25th. Well, we stopped over here for a quick photo session, but that ended up to, I think, for half an hour. We took lots and lots of pictures with the bike, the valley, this scenery, all angles we covered, and now we are back on the road. The crew member, he already told us to leave, but then we said we'll wait for another 2 minutes, and we waited for around 10 minutes. So now we are rushing back. See you guys on the road again. Bye bye. You see this river, this color of the river, man. Okay, so we left from that Khalsar valley. Now we are going towards Khalsar village. So it was an open stretch. We took some photos. We left from there. Our crew, the captain who was riding, he was waiting ahead for us. So now we are heading towards Shyok village. This is a different road which we are taking towards Pangong Lake. Oh, look at the scenery at the left. And we have sand crossing, so just a minute. Oh, bike wobbles. Yeah, so what I was saying is, look at this beautiful valley. So I just remember that it's Wednesday today, and Loki might have released. Being a Loki fan, so I would like to share some experience which happened with us today. If you all know that in the previous time we were having rain at the Nubra Valley when we were leaving. So that's God of Thunder. And now if you see, like Loki said, the sun shall shine again, and it has so it has also released on Wednesday. And yeah, I'm a big Loki fan. So any Loki supporters, you all can drop a comment if it has ever happened with you all too. This thing has happened within an hour for us. We stood, that's why we could take photos also on that Khalsar Valley. Well, guys, we have reached the most iconic, the most beautiful destination of Leh. That's the Pangong Lake. So let's see, where is our troop? Whoa, magnificent, my God, look at it. Whoa! Finally, our dream of riding towards Pangong Lake has been fulfilled. That too on a Himalayan, thanks to it. Beauty, man. Mesmerizing to eyes. Oh my God. Whoa. Can't believe it. Can't. Really. Breathtaking, man. Breathtaking.